So, what's the jack on this one?
22 clams, half $1. $12.
Take cards?
What kind of cards?
Well, see, this is a Chubby's gift certificate. He gets a free popcorn now. Sometimes. You wanna just... Yep. Yep.
Hey there, Val. How's tricks? Oh, perhaps you don't remember me. We spoke on the phone about a week ago? My name is Miles Monticello. Yes, that's good, yes.
Your name's Miles?
Yes, but you can call me Smiles. So, tell me about yourself.
Why?
Well, you are staying at my house. I don't want some crazy party nut who listens to loud records and fills up the sink every 2 hours. Dirty dishes! You know? Well, at least tell me why you chose Monticello's House of Happy Feelings.
I just needed a place to get away and work on my music.
Oh, you're a musician.
Yeah. You know, I got this song and it's like a total #1 hit, tearjerker, top of the charts. I just really need to fine tune it.
Tune. That's a good one. You seem a little down, pal. You need help.
Excuse me?
You need help. The Beatles album? Great album. Rubber Soul's good too. Always picks me up when I'm feeling down in the double D dumps. Yeah! Well, I've got to head out. Got a plane to catch. I would love to stay and chat about the Fab for all day, but I have a job. Just watch out for the corpses in the basement. Ha! Gotcha. See you later, sport.
Dear Smiles, I didn't have the heart to tell you previously what I'm going to tell you now. The truth is, I'm not very happy. The truth is I need to find somewhere secluded where I could take my own life. Thanks for the coffee. Sincerely, Mike. P.S. I promise not to make too much of a mess. And the keys are in the mailbox.
Barcelona, I met sweet Ramona, a cute little dancer was she. Her dress was all spangled, and when she fandangled, oh boy, what that gal did to me. She threw her bolero way up in the arrow. I think they fed her on twist. She had so much vigor, and oh, what a figure. There wasn't a thing that I missed. But I wonder why she kept on saying, si, 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 senor. I thought she'd stop in an hour, so I kept on shouting more power to you with my little heart.
Ah, mate, what's up?
Hi, I'd like to set up a meeting.
Alright, where are you?
The Glen, 123 Walberg Street.
Be there in 10.
Folks, I wanna ask you something. Have you seen my sweet? She's the gal you
Got any bear?
It's 9:30 in the morning.
Alright. Who's a cactus?
What?
Who's the guy?
I'm not following.
Who am I murdering?
Oh, alright. Well, this may seem a little
unorthodox.
My memory stray across the sea where flying fishes play. And as the night is falling, I find myself recalling that blissful all enthralling down my love in Avalon. Beside the bay.
Mr. Moldari, I'm afraid I have bad news for you. Your condition is terminal. You're not going to make it. There's nothing medically we can do for you. I give you maybe 2 months to live.
Yes!
That was Slim Jenkins with his hit dance single, Not on My Watch. Great song. Now we have, for the second consecutive month, a song discovered by brilliant producer Miles Monticello. The artist remains unknown. It's a shame because this song has to be the greatest song I have ever heard. Here it is, Listen After Death.
You're beautiful, you're Randy Quaid. The world is like a big volleyball and we're all playing the same damn game over and over again, over and over again. You're 3'7", you're a white snow owl. And you're tearing me apart, Lisa, tearing me apart, Lisa, over and over again, over and over again. I did not hit her, I did not hit her, I did not hit her. That's not right, that's bullshit.